Welcome YouTube. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you guys can hear my voice. My name is Ernest Dawson and I'm Strutter Pearson Aviation Dash. One of videos 2017 and we are here at Show Center at the Illuminate Barrie Kickoff Airshow on June 28th, 2017, where this is probably the very first time I've ever filmed an air show in Barrie. Right down by Show Center, we've got the Canadian Armed Forces Snowbirds, the Royal Canadian Air Force CAF 200 demo team, my very first time filming the red demo jet for Canon 150, and the Great War Flying Museum. Looks to be a fantastic show. I love this music, I really do. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of sun, but hopefully those clouds will move off over and hopefully we'll get some great evening light for the show. Start soon, and up first are the Canadian Armed Forces Snowbirds, who are currently starting their engines at Lake Simcoe Regional Airport. So guys, sit back, relax, and I hope you all enjoy the show. Should be a ripper.
Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
There, boss. You can begin your run-in now. The airspace is yours. You can commence your show now.
Oh, you trying? Okay, sorry. You all right? Yeah. That's some. Thank you, Base Force, for the house.
The Royal Naval Air Service, Flight Sub-Lieutenant Ronald Francis Redgrave, who would become the second commander of the Canadian Air Force in Montreal. And last but not least, the Nieuport 28 that Mike Smith will be flying by is painted as the American Air Service markings of Eddie Rickenbacker, the U.S. highest scoring ace. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, here they come now, our 4 World War I replicas. Et voilà, mesdames et messieurs, regardez sur la gauche, les 4 appareils de la Première Guerre mondiale, le SE-5 aux commandes Mac Gillespie, aux couleurs le Royal Flying Corps, appareil qui avait été piloté par Brent McCubbin, le Sopewith Strutter, Kingsman Baker aux commandes, et il est aux couleurs du lieutenant B.F. Redpath, the Royal Naval Air Service, le Nieuport.
And Bishop, like to confirm you see the yellowish-green buoys out there. You have the outside of those, south of those. Roger.
Le Fokker DR.I du Baron Rouge aux commandes Neil Anderson. Et regardez comme dans ces appareils volent lentement alors qu'ils travaillent contre le vent. Ici, au-dessus du blanc d'eau.
Bishop, flight 1 and 4 in the turn.
That you see is an 85% scale replica.
Air Bravo 59, this is Airbus 32, strength 3, readability 4 Humming.
Facing rear, the pride of their fleet. And the Nieuport 28, their fastest replica, the Fokker, a favorite at air shows, currently under construction rather than we don't have flying.
And Bravo 229 are unreadable at this time. You are cleared to no closer than 5 nautical miles to the east en route to Lake Simcoe Regional. And when you get a little closer, give me a call.
Et l'extérieur correspond réellement à l'original du Royal Factory. Toutefois, comme je les ai un petit peu plus tôt, le fuselage est métallique. Et le moteur qui est utilisé comme the Royal Flying Corps built Canada's first flying station. Borden is the birthplace of today's Royal Canadian Air Force and trained thousands of air and ground crew for service overseas. In 1924, Borden became the largest air station in Canada. Today, CFB Borden is a thriving and dynamic base that trains nearly 20,000 troops per year in a variety of support trades. CFB Borden has trained in the order of 2 million men and women for a wide variety of trades and occupations within the Canadian Armed Forces since its humble beginnings as an infantry training base in 1916.
Effectivement, l'ouverture de la base de Borden en Borden pour en faire la toute première base d'aviation du Canada, ce qui fait de Borden le lieu de naissance de ce qui est aujourd'hui l'aviation royale du Canada. En 1924, Borden était la plus importante base aérienne au Canada et c'est durant les années 30 qu'elle fut désignée base d'entraînement